everybody, welcome back to Rishi Ragas. Today my mom is going to do embroidering part 5. So today she is going to do bead stitch and fly stitch. In this the materials we have are sequins, and we have some pearls and colorful other beads and pipes. So now she is going to start. So you can mostly use the same color of the cloth so that it doesn't differ, but this is just for practice, so that she is using a pink thread. For pearls you can use white thread, and for sequins you can use the color of the sequins. You can also use the silver string for stitching, but that tangles so much. You can't even remove it, so that the stitch will get messed up. So that my mom is using the normal cotton thread. Now I hope you understood the pearl. Now my mom is going to start doing sequins. So the sequence is also very easy once you learn, and she's already done. She already did a line of sequins on the top. I don't think you can see it properly, because when her hand comes over top of it, you can't see it. This is really simple to stitch. You just need to keep repeating the same method in this stitch. If anyone has idea what we are going to do for the next video, comment down below. Now my mom is using the thin pipe beads. We don't have more at home, so we are going to do only 2. In case if you didn't understand the step, you can just repeat the same step. Like, you can forward the video a bit and you can observe it properly. Now she's using the golden beads. Actually they're not gold, they're antique. The color of antique, they're not real. Now my mom is going to do fly stitch. Fly stitch is one of the simplest stitch in embroidering, and this is mostly used for coconut trees on any dresses or any cloth for decorative items. I hope you are all safe at home. Don't go anywhere outside. Be safe at home. Take all the precautions and stay home, stay safe. Now my mom is going to show the examples of the stitch. So there is one more stitch which we did before, and if you know what stitch this is, don't forget to comment down below. And this is also another example, but this is this stitch is fly stitch plus bead stitch. My mom used both of the stitches. And this is a plain neck. This is a neck stitch. And as I said, this is mostly used for coconut, the fly stitch. And this is the example of a bead stitch. This saree is done by my mom. This is the pipe beads which is used. And this is also the pipe beads which this is not done by my mom. And this is done by my mom. And this is a sequence. This is the sequence stitch. This is a sequence stitch on a saree. This is also a sequence stitch. There are also some pipe beads and sequence. And this is also a sequence stitch, but this has sequence and pearl in it. And it has the sequence. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button.